Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, hit that like button before you go. Maybe even leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available online. I've included a link in the description. I'll take you directly to the product page, or you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? So today's product is absolutely perfect if you are looking for a nice little neck massage, or you're looking for a great gift for somebody that might like a nice neck massage. So this was sent over by a company called SKG. It's going to come in this box right here, and this is their foldable neck massager. It is the G7 Pro, and it's pretty cool. So once you open it up, naturally it's going to come with a user manual that tells you all about it. We're covering the features here in the video. It's also going to come with a USB to USB Type A charging cable. This is how you're going to charge up the built-in battery. It does have a 2,400 mAh battery. What does that mean? Depending on your settings, you're gonna get about 140-minute usage out of it. So it's not a one and done. You're gonna be able to get multiple uses before you have to charge this up. Now, it's also gonna come with this nice little carrying bag to store it in when you're not utilizing it. And as I said, it folds nice and compact. So here it is all folded up, but just go ahead and unfold the arms, and now it's good to go. So why I love this thing, first off, it is very premium feeling, which I absolutely love. Super soft little leather, kind of faux leather parts here that sits on the back of your, or the side of your neck, shall I say. And it's just easy to just go ahead and put on, very, very comfortable to wear. But another thing that stands out is you're gonna notice it has all these little heads here. It's got these basically 9 floating heads that can kind of rotate. So it's not like they're in one spot. They're very, very comfortable. They're all made out of nice titanium, and that's what's gonna go ahead and giving you the various different massage modes. Now, built onto this device, it has 5 standard different kind of massage modes, and what that is just with the little pulses of electricity and vibration and all those kind of different feelings. But you can also utilize their app, which is called the Future Wear app, and that's gonna give you 6 more modes. Now, to me, I find the app the easiest way to control it because you can see everything right there on the screen. You can adjust the vibration, the warmth in the different modes. However, you can adjust everything with the little golden dial here on the side, and you will notice that you're gonna have on the upper part, it's gonna have the vibration intensities. You can change those. It's gonna have essentially 4 different vibration levels. If you go ahead and push down, it's gonna go ahead and change those heating modes. It has, once again, 4 different heating options as well. It is using red light therapy. It's using the 630 and the 830 nm, which is basically penetrating deep into the skin to help you go ahead and get that more soothing massage, which is, once again, a nice little feature of this guy. Now, it does have also the plus and minus as far as the intensity settings, which you can adjust as well. So you can kind of figure out which settings you like and go with it. But like I said, the phone's a little bit easier to control. Now, you're gonna have all the little kind of like moving nodes, I said, and then you can see the little light in the middle, which is the red therapy light. It's got these really nice gold accents. And like I said, this thing feels very, very premium. Now, to charge it up, there is the USB-C port on the bottom side. Next to that is a little switch. That is actually a volume, because as you are wearing this, right, it's kind of hard to tell which mode it's on. So you can sit there and as you press the buttons, it will go ahead and tell you your option. But if that bothers you, you can go ahead and switch it, and now you won't hear it. It won't bother you at all. But very, very comfortable to wear. Now, to get the most out of this, it's kind of ideal to go ahead and moisten the back of your neck or moisten the little heads, because that's going to help with the actual massage part itself. But that's up to you. If you forget to do it, it's no big deal. It just gives you a little bit better experience. But overall, like I said, if you are looking for an absolutely great neck massager for yourself or to give as a gift, I highly recommend this one by SKG. If there's something I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till next video. You guys, take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.